For learning the Rubik's Cube blindfolded, we are going to use only three algorithms. So while you are solving the Rubik's Cube by looking at it using the beginner's methods, you first make a cross and then corners and then solve the other layers, because you can look at it, so you can know if this is right now it's a cross, or first layer is solved or the second layer is solved, so you can decide what steps or what formulas to use. So while doing in the beginner method, we also learn 5 to 6 formulas. So in blindfolded, we are only going to learn 3 formulas, and most of the time we are going to use only 2. So first, see what are those 3 formulas that we are going to use. So first one is a T-perm. So T-perm is where it will create a shape of T. So that's why it is called a T-perm. Okay, so let's do a T-perm. So it is R U R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R U R prime and F prime. So see, if you notice, when you did this T-perm move, look at your cube. So the shape in the cube look like this. So see, this part is not solved. This all is solved, but this part is not solved, and this part is this part is not solved, and on the other side this one piece is not solved. So it kind of make a shape of T like this. So the unsolved part makes a shape of T like this. So that's why it is called a T-perm. And also look at this. So what happened after doing this T-perm? The piece that should be at this place, so it should be orange and yellow, it has gone to this place. So these two edges are replaced and these two corners are replaced. So see, this corner piece should come at this place and this one should come at this place. So what this T-perm does is it replaces this edge piece, these two edge pieces and these two corner pieces. Okay, so let's see the next one. The next one is Y-perm. So we'll first see what is Y-perm. So it is R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime R U R prime U prime R prime F and R. So this is a Y-perm. After doing this Y-perm move, so look at your cube and see this corner piece and this corner piece are replaced. So this one should be at this place and this one should be at this place, and these two edge pieces are swapped. So this one should be at this place and this one should be at this place. So after doing the Y-perm, the corners, so these two corners are swapped and these two edges are swapped. After doing the T-perm, these two edges were swapped and these two corners were swapped. So we will be using these two moves, Y-perm and T-perm, for solving the cube blindfolded. And there is one more move which we will be using sometimes. It will be very rarely used. It's a parity algorithm. So let's see what is that parity algorithm. So the parity algorithm is R U R prime F prime R U2 R prime U2 R prime F R U R U2 R prime and U prime. So these three formulas we are going to use to solve the complete 3x3 cube blindfolded. By using only these three formulas, we will be able to completely solve the cube blindfolded.